Hi everybody, today we are going to be rounding to the nearest hundred. Alright, let's get started. Let's round the number 341 to the nearest hundred. Since we're rounding to the nearest hundred, we're going to look in our hundreds place. How many hundreds do we see here? 3. 3 hundreds equals 100, 200, 300. So that is our first benchmark number. And since we're rounding to the nearest hundred, we're going to add 100 to find our second benchmark number. 300 plus 100 more would be 400. And then our midpoint, smack dab in the middle between 300 and 400, is 350. So now we need to locate 341 on the number line. Now, am I going to do 41 little jumps, or can I do jumps of 10? We're going to do jumps of 10. It'll be a lot easier to fit them on. All right, starting at 300, jumps of 10. 310, 320, 330, 340. Should I keep going to 350 or stop? Stop. So 341 is right about there. Now, would you say that it is closer to 300 or 400? Good, it's closer to 300. So 341 rounded to the nearest hundred is 300 because it is closer to 300 than it is to 400. Take a few seconds to look at what I did. All right, let's try one more, and then you'll be on your own to do your problems. All right, let's try one more. This time, let's do 789 to the nearest hundred. Okay, since we're doing to the nearest hundred, what place are we looking in? Hundreds, tens, or ones? In the hundreds place, good. All right, so let's put a box around our hundreds place. We have 7 hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So that gives us our first benchmark number. 700. We're going to add 100 to find our second benchmark number. 700 plus 100 gives us 800. And what comes smack dab in the middle of 700 and 800? 750. Okay, so now, like we did before, we are going to do jumps of 10 because I am not going to sit here and try to squish 81 little jumps on this number line. It's almost impossible. So we're doing jumps of 10, starting at 700. 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780. Should I keep going to 790 or stop? Stop. So 789 is right about there. What is it closer to, 700 or 800? 800. So we would say that 789 rounded to the nearest hundred is 800 because it is closer to 800 than it is to 700. All right, so that's what you are going to be doing today. If you have any questions at all or you need help with today's work or any work from any other day, please let me know and I would be more than happy to help you. Have a great day, everybody.